This week on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be taking a recipe from the complete book of gourmet cooking. This is a Portland House production, copyright 1986, by Illustrations and Text, Color Library Books Limited, Guildford, Surrey, England. And today we're going to be doing a pork fillet with apricots. Now this doesn't have a lot of bookmarks in it. In fact, it doesn't have any bookmarks in it. I do know that Lily gave this book to Mom. Lily was one of our cats, so I'm not sure if she ever made anything out of this one. But I did find a great little recipe here for pork fillet with apricots served over rice. We're going to be subbing out one of the ingredients because I couldn't find it at Walmart. And we're going to be modifying the cooking instructions a little bit because, you know, I have got to use the crock pot. Ingredients: 1 pound pork fillet cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of seasoned flour, 1/4 cup of butter, 14-ounce can of apricot halves drained and juice retained, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of demerara sugar, which I'll be subbing out for light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 8 tablespoons of water, and 1 cup of long grain rice. I'll be using white rice because that's all I had. Toss the pork pieces in seasoned flour. Heat the butter and fry the pork until lightly brown. Chop all but 3 of the apricot halves. Mix 8 tablespoons of apricot juice with Worcestershire sauce, the sugar, the vinegar, the lemon juice, and the water. Add any remaining flour to the pork and pour in the apricot sauce and chopped fruit. Now in the original recipe, you'd bring it to a boil, stirring, reduce the heat, and cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. In the modified recipe, we're going to be putting everything into the crock pot and simmering it on low for about 3 hours. So let's see how we're going to display this. It said arrange the rice around the edge and then pour the contents in the center. So let's try that. That's 1 cup of rice. Really didn't make a lot of rice. So maybe I should have used 2 cups. Oh well. The presentation did not work. It looks good, it smells great, but it was supposed to, I guess there was too much juice. So if I used a little bit more rice, it probably would have come out closer to the picture that was in the book. But let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Could use more rice, but oh, that pork is just perfect. And with the apricot halves, this is great. Again, this is a pork fillet with apricots. It's from the Gourmet book. No, the complete book of gourmet cooking. A course-by-course guide to the perfect meal. I think it's 1986 by Portland House.